Welcome to Benchmarks Officers Academy. We are excited to announce our faculty members who are highly qualified, experienced, and well equipped with skills. The Benchmark Officers Academy includes Mr. Zishan Iqbal, who is a PMS officer, Mr. Mohsen Iqbal, PMS officer, Mr. Safiullah, PMS officer, Mr. Yasir Israr, PMS officer, Ms. Farda Ehsan, PMS officer, Momin Atarik, Tehsildar, Ms. Tuba, PPS officer, Mr. Sifatullah, CSS 2023 qualifier, Mr. Hasibullah, CSS 2023 qualifier, Mr. Salman Khan, who is PMS 2022 written topper, Mr. Sayyid Azaz Zahid, PMS 22 qualifier, Mr. Zishan Alam, PMS 2016, 2018, and 2020 qualifier, Mr. Tokir, PPS 2022 qualifier, PMS 2018 and 2020 qualifier. Mr. Tayyab is a professor in Higher Education Department. Mr. Noman Khan, subject specialist and PhD scholar. Mr. Walid Khalil, professor in Higher Education Department. Thanks.